I just talked about the P6000 from Nike. We've got the white and metallic colorway mesh runner, and I figured we would talk about an even nicer white and metallic mesh runner with the Supernova Cushion 7 from Adidas. Retails 130 on this one. They can be had for a steal if you can find your size. Right now I got them for next to nothing, like $40 from Adidas. You can find them on the internet for a really good price, way under retail. We need to talk about these. Let's kick it. So here we go. Adidas's running boxes, I believe, is what these black boxes are. Supernova Cushion 7 in my true size. They have future white, silver metallic, and crystal white, I believe, or something like that. But here you go. I haven't put them on feet yet, but I can just tell you, having them in hand, these are so far superior to something like P6000. It's not even funny. So here we have actual mesh layers with superior breathability. Nice traction pattern on the bottom. It has their torsion system for rigidity in certain spots going underneath these rubber pods, and then the your adiprene foam has room to flex in the heel if you happen to heel strike. I'm sure these are going to be quite comfortable. Here you see on the tag, Supernova. So as we go around the front, you have a metallic silver toe rand that has some rigidity. It looks reflective. If not, I'm sure this is actually a reflective hit. The reflective, I mean, probably isn't going to work in the light. These white strips could be some reflective material. I'm not sure. I haven't hit them with a flashlight or anything like that. But as we go around the lateral side, you have a big chunk of the adiprene to dual density foam here. Part of their torsion system doesn't really come up that side, but it also, as you can see, it kind of wraps into, I'm sure it all connects here, going up around the side over here. So for depending on your gait, this could be a good thing, this could be a bad thing. If you're just wearing them casually like I am, it's fine, because this might not be the best gait and stride if I was trying to run in these. If you're an actual runners, they're looking for the right gait to match their particular personal stride, so it really works with their foot and their knees and their joints and the whole nine. But for just casual wear, lifestyle, like I'm rocking with them, it's totally fine, because you actually do have, see, they have their 4Motion. So there's just so much of their technologies that are in here for the $130 price point. Adidas right here. As we move around to the medial side, similar thing. You have the 3-stripe. More of the mesh. Toe down view is actually quite nice in my opinion. Very retro runner style. And then I believe this insole will come out. It hasn't been set in with glue yet. Yeah, I can actually get it out. It's going to be a pain to put back in. It is a basic EVA ortholite looking. It does look like it could be ortholite. Let me block my face so it'll actually focus. Come on, you're going to focus for me? Focus for me. Now it should focus. There we go. So you can see the material a little bit better. So it's actually relatively thick. So step-in comfort should be nice. Eventually this will bottom out. Has a standard fuzzy sock liner. It says Supernova Cushion 7. And then as we look around in here through the strobel, you can actually feel the foam right underneath this blue kind of foam pressed strobel that's stitched in. There's going to be some good comfort here. I can feel the foam immediately. It's squishy, it's cushy. These are going to be really comfortable underfoot, I believe. You can actually see the mesh. You can see through. They're super breathable. These are going to be great summer shoes. As you can see, breathable mesh throughout. It's going to be like air conditioning on your feet if you get a breeze outside. You got the double layer mesh with some padding in the tongue. There's a little bit of padding. It's nothing crazy, but noticeable. Just in hand, it is indeed very noticeable. Now I have this glue to deal with. I don't know how easy this insole is going to be to pop back in without catching everything on the way. It is catching some stuff, don't get me wrong, but not too bad. We got it in there decently. This is actually a pretty good outing, and I haven't put them on feet yet. Just from taking a look around the shoe and looking at what of Adidas's technologies they put in here, with it being an actual mesh runner and appropriate layers of mesh and everything. The retro color scheme with the early 2000s look. of the white and silver metallic. These are clean. I gotta say, these are clean. If I wasn't already wearing some Asics Gel Light 3s right now, I might throw these on. I mean, they would totally go with what I'm rocking right now. I got like some light gray training shorts on that totally would go with this scheme. Very casual lifestyle type of thing for me. But for any of you runners that are looking for a retro mesh runner, I don't know if it's a good runner or not. That's not what I'm buying running shoes for. I don't run. I power walk with the wife on trails here and there, and I do fasted cardio on an elliptical. That's my extent of cardiovascular training that I do. So I'm not the running type, but I have to say, for any of you lifestyle sneakerheads that are looking for the trend, these are in right now. The mesh runner, the retro mesh runner look, and I think Adidas really put a good outing here. I like these quite a bit. They were like 52 or something like that, plus another 30% off. I got them for 30 some odd dollars. What a steal. They still have some decent sizes in this colorway. The black and metallic silver, and then the white, green, and metallic silver. They didn't have. I would have bought all three, honestly. They were all on sale. Depending on your size, I would encourage checking out Adidas' site, but also check other places on the internet. You can probably still find them, maybe not as cheap, but I'm sure you can find them for a really good price, because this seems like a really good offering from Adidas, so I'm glad to have them. And yeah, there's that. Comment down below, what do you think about them? If you have them, make sure to like, comment, subscribe before you leave. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Have a good one.